Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your environment is ready. Create and activate a virtual environment, then pip install NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Once done, load your CSV into Pandas, examine dtypes and null counts, and drop or impute missing values with simple strategies. You should also convert categorical columns with one-hot or label encoding. Finally, split your data into train and test sets so you have a clean holdout to evaluate model performance. You now build a robust pipeline that combines preprocessing and modeling. Use column transformer to scale numeric features and encode categoricals, then attach a baseline model like random forest or logistic regression. Fit the pipeline on training data to get a baseline score. Next, apply grid search CV or randomized search CV with cross-validation to tune hyperparameters and avoid overfitting. Make sure to monitor metrics relevant to your problem: accuracy, ROCOC, me. You finish by evaluating the tune pipeline on the test set and reporting clear metrics like ROCAUC or MAE, plus a confusion matrix or residual plot to visualize errors. Once satisfied, save the train pipeline with joblib and record package versions in requirements. TXT. If results are poor, investigate common issues: data leakage between train and test, severe class imbalance requiring sampling or class weights, or features changing distribution. If nothing helps, re-examine labels and collect more representative data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.